Hello kids! Teacher Brian here. Let's learn another interesting topic in music. So, let's get started. So, let us learn the high and low sounds. Sound is an important part of music. It can be high or low. These sounds are called tones. Most children sing with high tones. Some adults sing with low tones. This highness and lowness of tones or sound is called pitch. Pitch is how high or low a sound is. If an object vibrates fast, it makes a high-pitched sound. If an object vibrates slow, it makes a low-pitched sound. Let's look at a video of the low and high-pitched sound.
Good day, kids. Today we will talk about high pitch and low pitch. Today we will talk about high pitch and low pitch. But before that one, I want you to listen to the sounds. But before that one, I want you to listen to the sounds. Some of the sounds that you heard are high pitch. Some of the sounds will happen when the object vibrates fast. High pitch will happen when the object vibrates fast. And the kettle. Examples of this are whistles. On the other hand, and the low pitch will happen if the object vibrates slowly. Low pitch will happen examples if the object vibrates slowly. And the drum. Examples of this are roaring lion. Now is your time to guess if these sounds are high pitch or low pitch. If these sounds are high pitch or low pitch. First, this sound is a high pitch. This sound is a high pitch. Next sound. What do you think is that one? Yes, what do you think is that one? Guess the next one. It's a low pitch. Guess the next one. Very good. It's a high pitch. How about this last high pitch? How about this last sound? Very good, it's a low pitch. Good day, kids. Today we will talk.
Thank you so much for watching kids and see you in our next module. Bye!